Hello, welcome to this amazing training. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a product review on the 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator program by Toyin Omotosho. Now, the 72IG program that you have been hearing about was created by Toyin Omotosho, the owner of Espania. Now, this course has made people lots and lots of money. All right. So, according to what it says here, this is currently the screenshot of the 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator program sales page. And on the sales page, it says, in a world where 98% of online money making opportunities are scam, company newbies are using this new smartphone income technique to legally make as much as 750K a month. No capital is needed. What you just need is for you to get the course, and you will fully understand what affiliate marketing is all about and how to start making money from affiliate marketing. As you can see, these are some of the screenshots of people who got the affiliate marketing, who got the 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator program. Now, what does this 72IG does? Now, the 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator program is designed and created with one purpose in mind, all right? And that is to show you step by step how you can create a simple online affiliate business that's going to bring you nothing less than 750K or more monthly, all right? So, if you have actually purchased the course, you will be given access to the 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator program. Now, what you need to do is just for you to put in your password and access the 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator program by Toyin Omotosho. Now, once you access it, it's going to tell you to put in a password. I've already added the password now. All I'm just going to do is just to click on this enter box for me to access this 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator program. So I'm going to be clicking on the enter button now. I've already clicked on it now. Now, this is the 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator program by Toyin Omotosho. Now, I'm going to be scrolling to the bottom of the page to access the main things that we are here to do. Now, for you to access the 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator program, the first training videos, you click on the access 72IG WhatsApp IG. All right. Once you click on the access 72IG WhatsApp IG, you are going to receive immediate access to the training program, to the first training program. So I'm going to be clicking on it now. Now, it took us to a page where it says, welcome to the 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator Training Program. First of all, I want to say thank you for getting this training program. I am really excited that you decided to try it out. On this page, you'll find the full 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator training materials. There are 3 modules in this training. Now, module 1 has 3 videos. Module 2 has 5 main videos plus tutorials videos and PDFs. Module 3 has 2 videos. The Twitter money blueprint is recommended. Then there are additional helpful resources that is going to help you understand what affiliate marketing is all about. Now, so this is the first video of the 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator program. All right. If we decide to click on it now, it's going to start playing and talking about what affiliate marketing is all about. So this is actually the first video, which is the introduction to the 72IG WhatsApp Income Generator program. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click on it now to see what is going to give to us.
You are welcome to the 72IG WhatsApp Income Training. My name is Toyin Omotosho and I will be your trainer. This is second time, but this time around, you should jot and implement. And then, of course, ask questions where you have ears. So you can say.
Now, this is just the first video, which is the introduction. Now we have other multiple videos here. What you are expected to do is for you to get a book and a pen, write some things down, jot some things down as you are going through this training. This training is going to help you to create a successful affiliate online business that's going to bring you nothing less than 750K All right, but you must be serious with this training program for you to be able to make a lot and lots of money from it. Now, once you are done watching the first video, you go to the second video. All right, now this is the second video. Once you are done watching this second video, you go to the third, and as you are going through the videos, make sure that you are jotting some things down. And once you are done with model 1, you go to model 2, and model 2 has 5 main videos. This is number 1 video, the number 2 video, sorry, then number 3 video, and the 4th video. All right, now we have how to use WhatsApp autoresponder. Everything is here on this 72IG WhatsApp income generation program. Now, if you want to learn how to create WhatsApp links, this is the video for you. If you want to learn how to use autoresponder, this is the video for you. All right, autoresponder is like an artificial AI that is going to be helping you to respond to people who are going to be sending you messages. Now, imagine you're running an advert that is going to bring you tons of audience. Now, you won't be able to respond to these people alone. All right, you won't be able to respond to them on your own. So autoresponder will help you to do all these things. Now, there are lots of things to get from the 72IG WhatsApp income generation program. As you can see, these are lots of PDF files that can actually help you along with the videos that you are going to be accessing on the 72IG. Now, the model 3, this is the first video. Once you are done with model 1, you go to model 2. Once you are done with model 2, you go to model 3. Now, the model 3, we have number 1 video, we have the second video, then we have the Twitter money blueprint. All these videos are very, very powerful. So you are expected to go through everything, jot things down as you are going through the videos. Now, it says how to create a simple yes or no quiz funnel and use it to make more affiliate sales. All right. So you are expected to go through all these trainings. All right. Now, once you are done going through all these trainings, the next thing that you are supposed to do is go back to where we actually came from. So I'll be clicking back. Now, this is the first place that we actually accessed. It said access 72IG WhatsApp IG. Now, once you are done with that, you go to the second version. All right, access where it says access 72IG version 2.0. All right, now I'm going to be clicking on it. You see, now it actually brought us to another page where we're going to be going through all these videos. Now, these videos are going to teach us how affiliate marketing works in details. If you are really serious with making money online, then this is the particular video that you should, this is particular course that you should actually go through if you are not yet, if you've not yet bought this particular course. Now, it says 72IG Implementers Program, Day 1. This particular video, this first introduction video here is by Sam Owen. All right, Sam Ovens. So if you go through this video, it's going to give you how to be productive and have a successful mindset in order for you to become a successful affiliate marketer. And once you are done going through those videos, you go to the second one, go to the second videos. These are other additional materials that are here for you to access. All right, now we have another video, the day 2 video. And once you are done going through the first video, you come to this one. So what you are expected to do is that you're expected to go through all these videos here. All right, you can see that this particular course is packed with lots and lots of values. All right, you can see I'm scrolling to the bottom of the page. There are lots of videos here for you to access. Just I'm having some network issues. That's the major reason this thing is not displaying well now. All right, so you are just going to access these videos, go through these videos. You are expected to implement as you are going through the videos. All right, make sure you jot some things down so that if you have any questions, you feel free to come to me anytime, any day. I'm always here for you as your coach. All right, so these are lots of videos that you need to go through. All right, if you want to become a successful affiliate marketer, then go through everything. All right, go through everything, go through all the videos for you to understand how it works in details. All right, so I'm just going to the bottom of the page. I don't want to make this video too long. So you can see that there are lots and lots of videos for you to watch here. You are expected to go through all these videos if you are really determined to succeed. Okay, now all these things are going to teach you. These are other additional materials. All these things are going to teach you in order to become a successful affiliate marketer. Now, I can assure you that if you go through all this whole thing and you implement everything you're going to be taught in this video, you are going to be very, very successful in affiliate marketing. Now you can see that this 72 IG WhatsApp Income Generator program is packed with lots of value. All right. So if you haven't gotten the 72 IG WhatsApp Income Generator program, you are expected to click on the link on this comment section for you to purchase it. All right. So this is just what the 72 IG WhatsApp Income Generator program is all about. You can see that there are a lot of videos here that you are expected to watch, and for you to, as you're watching them, you start implementing them right away. All right. So this will be the end of the video. I will see you on the next video.